Hi, I'm Dennis Humphrey with Capital Roofing. I seem to be a minority, but I am a Cheyenne native. Been here my whole life. Been in business, in and around the roofing business since I was 18. I turned 60 a couple months ago, so I've been a roofer or a related roofer for a long time. Cheyenne has always been home. I've traveled in my past. I used to be a professional bull rider, traveled around the country, did lots of stuff, stayed a lot of places for short periods of time, but Cheyenne has always been home. It's been a great place to live, work, raise a family, run a business. Many will kind of curse and talk poorly of the weather. We kind of like the weather. We think it just makes you tough. If you're tough enough to live in Cheyenne, you're kind of special. So I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to have been here, and I look forward to spending the rest of my days, for the most part, here in Cheyenne in the roofing business and involved in our community. I think the people here are salt of the earth type of people, generally treat people well, have people from lots of different places come through the military for other reasons, and most people seem to like it. They like the way they get treated here by our Cheyenne natives, and as a Cheyenne native myself, we always like to hear that. So, yay Cheyenne, I'll be here for the long haul.